Hi, guys, welcome back to Top Capable channel. This video shows you how to unlock forgotten Android PIN and regain access to the phone quickly. Okay, you might experience that dreaded moment. You pick up your Android phone, go to unlock it, and your mind goes blank. You forgot the PIN for unlocking the screen. Don't worry, you're in the right place as we're tackling this common problem: how to unlock your Android phone if forgot PIN. And the best part? We're going to explore a method that can help you get back into your device without losing data if certain preconditions are met. This Android PIN unlocking guide applies to all mobile phones including Samsung, OnePlus, Motorola, Huawei, Vivo, Oppo, LG, Xiaomi, and more. So, let's dive in. Alright, let's start with method number 1 of using recovery mode, and this is official way to unlock the PIN lock you forget to your phone. This involves resetting Android phone to be able to remove your forgotten PIN. You don't need a computer to unlock your Android. To do that, completely turn off your device as you did normally. Then, enter recovery mode. This step varies slightly by phone manufacturer, but it usually involves holding down a combination of buttons simultaneously. For most Android phones, like Motorola, OnePlus, Google Pixel, or Xiaomi, press volume down button and power button at the same times. Keep holding down both buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. For a Samsung smartphone, you may connect it to your computer first. Then keep pressing volume up button and power button to enter recovery mode. Some old Samsung phones use volume up, power, Bixby, home buttons for the task. Once Android recovery screen display on the device screen, you're now able to factory reset your locked Android phone and unlock its PIN code you forgot. Now, we press the volume down button to navigate to wipe data, factory reset option, and press power button to select it. In the next menu, we choose Factory Data Reset option, and press Power button. Your phone will immediately process the factory reset, erasing the forgotten PIN and lock screen. Once you see the Data Wipe Completed alert at the bottom, the recovery menu reappears. Press Power button to select Reboot System Now option. Your phone will then reboot and let you to set up again for full access. During the initial setup procedure, you have options to connect the phone to Wi-Fi. If you had a Google account linked to your device, sign into it with correct credentials. Then, restore from a backup, as well as create a new lock method to secure your phone. Keep in mind that, you'll also lose all of data during the process and can't recover it if you don't have a backup. But at the very least, your Android phone is unlocked even if you can't remember the PIN. Okay, come to method 2. Use Appgeeker Android Unlocker software to easily unlock your Android without password, PIN, or pattern, and remove the lock screen in minutes. It's a desktop-based program that offers an effective Android unlock solution if you have no idea after forgetting the lock screen PIN to get into your phone. For more info and to use the tool to unlock the screen locks on Android, click the download link in the description below, and then download it on your computer. Okay, guys, launch Appgeeker iPhone Unlocker. On the main interface, choose Remove Screen Password mode. The Bypass Google FRP Lock mode works if you forgot your Google account credentials after factory reset. Then, to unlock your Android forgotten PIN, choose your phone brand, like Samsung, Motorola, OnePlus, Google or whatever. Next, use a USB cable to connect your device to your computer. The software will automatically recognize your phone once connected. If fails, click on the device is connected but cannot be recognized link, and then follow the wizard to boot into recovery mode. The final step is to click on the green Remove Now button to start resetting Android phone and unlocking it without PIN. This erases your phone and the PIN code you forgot to unlock Android's lock screen. After a few minutes, you will see Remove Successfully message on the software window. Your Android device will restart, letting you get access without PIN anymore. It will be in its original factory state, just like when you first bought it. You'll need to set it up from the scratch. Move on. Method number 3, use Google Find Hub to remotely erase Android phone so that you can unlock your forgotten PIN. This is a lifesaver if you've ever linked your Google account to your Android phone, which most of us have. Plus, Find My device has been turned on prior to Android PIN lockout, and the device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Okay, on a computer, visit Find Hub website. Of course, you can unlock your Android device forgot password without a computer, by using another accessible Android device or even an iPhone. Then, sign in with your Google account and password associated to your PIN-locked Android phone. Once logged in, your device will appear on the map and device list. Click on it, and then choose Reset Your Device to Factory Settings options. You'll be prompted that resetting your device to factory settings will permanently erase all data on your Android phone. To confirm, click Next button, then re-enter your Google ID and password to verify your identity. Again, click Reset button, followed by Clear button. This will initiate a remote reset, removing the PIN from Android's lock screen. It will take some time to go through the factory reset process. When that's done, your Android will be unlocked, waiting to be set up. Easy peasy, right? Now, we are going to walk you through steps on how to unlock Android Forgot PIN without losing data. First, if you are locked out and have forgotten your PIN, Android Extend Unlock feature could allow your phone to remain unlocked. Chances are you've previously set up Smart Lock on your Android phone to make it automatically log in through trusted places, trusted devices, or on body detection. When you're encountering a forgotten Android PIN, bring the phone to the trusted location or connect it to the trusted device, and it will automatically unlock without needing the PIN code. Note that Extend Unlock won't work to get you back to your phone assuming you ever restarted it. Another way is Samsung's Reset with Previous Lock feature. Note that this is only for Samsung devices running One UI 6.1 or later like Galaxy S24, S25, and newer models. If you changed your PIN within 72 hours, simply use the old one to reset the forgotten PIN and unlock Android. So, to unlock Android phone forgot PIN without factory reset, first, on the lock screen, enter the wrong PIN code 5 times, after which you should see Forgot PIN option, along with an alert saying, too many incorrect unlock attempts. Try again in 30 seconds. Here, tap on the Forgot PIN link, then enter your previous PIN correctly that is used to unlock your Android phone, and click OK. You're ready to reset the PIN on Android. Choose a screen lock type, like PIN, password, or pattern, and create a new lock code that you know you won't forget. That's done. Your forgotten PIN on Android gets unlocked without data loss. Get into your phone and use it again. Forgetting your Android PIN can be incredibly frustrating, but as you've seen, there are several ways to get back into your device. Hope you can unlock Android phone's PIN you've forgotten without resetting or losing data. The factory reset is a powerful last resort for removal of PIN and recovery of full access. If this video helps you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Got any other tips? Share them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.